Hello and welcome to our channel today. The second part of our episode about the secrets of the pyramids and their relationship to generating electricity in the past and what Nikola Tesla has to do with it. So I will not prolong you and bring your cup of coffee and let's start. In order for you to understand the matter well, let me first talk to you about these pyramids a little bit. These pyramids, my friend, consist of more than 2.3 million huge stone cubes, and their combined weight exceeds 6 million tons. And a very large number of these stones weighing more than 80 tons per stone. And not only that, they were cut off from distant mountains more than 500 miles away in the south of Egypt, and then transported all the way to the construction site. And all this in pre-Christmas times, and before modern technology. And the strangest thing is that the pyramid itself is from the inside. Its walls are made of a type of granite that contains quartz. And this material can generate electricity when it is subjected to great pressure, such as the pressure arising from 2.3 million cubes of stone, each weighing 80 tons, for example. If you do not understand the meaning of this statement, then let me tell you that in this way, it is very possible that these pyramids were used to generate electrical energy through the intense pressure applied to this quartz, and by using many mysterious and still unknown techniques. The idea remains that the arrangement of the three pyramids, with their sizes and locations, is arranged in a very precise and built manner, and at the time of its construction, it was covered with a layer of white limestone, whose shape was very bright in the sun, as if it was shining, and also the stones from which all the pyramids are built. It was cut very professionally, and all of them were stacked with fixed and very precise angles. It was impossible for it to be used in this way with the old building methods, and even modern technology itself was difficult for it to adjust it in this way. So how was it possible for an ancient and primitive civilization to build such a great edifice? Until now, no one knows how to access its secrets and does not even think of doing something like it. The answer to this question is amazing, because there are new researchers who have recently published research and evidence that say things that are stranger than fiction. They say that the ancient Egyptian civilization did not start in the year 3200 BC, and there is no need. And that her real age is much older than that. And if you are going to ask me, I mean, their age is due to when exactly, let me tell you that according to recent astronomical discoveries and calculations, the three pyramids of Giza are completely and precisely aligned with the stars of Orion's belt, but they are not compatible with them now. No. These are compatible with their locations as they were from 10,500 BC. Why was this reached using modern technology that can determine the movement of stars for thousands of years? This means that the age of the real pyramid can be traced back to the year 10,500 BC. And all these years are missing and a reality from the ancient Egyptian history, and it is still completely unknown to the world until now, and we do not know the extent of the development that these people were reaching. And if you still can't imagine or believe it, then let me tell you about something else related to the Sphinx located in front of the pyramid exactly. According to recent discoveries made by experts in geology, the signs of erosion in the body of the Sphinx and the basin surrounding it, the only thing that can cause it in this view, is a very large amount of water that has been rubbing against the body of the statue for very long years to cause these effects. The surprise remains that the only period in which environmental conditions occurred is estimated these effects caused the body of the Sphinx. The rainy era that passed on Earth was a very long time, and the rain continued on the surface of the planet without interruption for about 20,000 years, until it ended 7,000 years. I mean, the Sphinx has existed for more than 7,000 years. And not only that. This is according to the words of archaeologists also, and according to the discoveries known in Egyptology. It is assumed that all the Sphinx statues discovered in every part of Egypt consist of two statues stacked in front of each other. And this is found in all the archaeological places in which they are located. Statues of the Sphinx, except in one place only. The huge main Sphinx. Of course, you will ask me, and what does this have to do with the subject? I will tell you that there are experts and researchers who say that the second Sphinx, on which the statue was supposed to be, is not on the ground, but is in the sky. And this is because if we go back to the theory that says that the pyramids were built from 10,500 years BC, and we saw how the shape of the sky was at that time, you will meet the amazing surprise. The sky at that time, exactly in front of the Sphinx, had the locations of the stars of the constellation Leo or the Leo constellation. This is exactly as it appears from its name, shaped like a lion. Same shape as the Sphinx. I mean, these stars were a symbol of the second Sphinx, which was supposed to be facing the original Sphinx statue that we know now, but a heavenly symbol suitable for the beliefs of ancient people. Thus, the true history of the Sphinx, along with the pyramids, goes back more than 12,500 years. This is how we have finished today, and do not forget to support us with a like and a subscription to the channel, to encourage us to publish more, God willing.